Welcome back, skincare lover. If your moisturizer suddenly burns your face, you've got a problem. And it's not the product. It's your skin barrier breaking down. And if you don't fix it the right way, you could make it worse. Today, we're breaking down a complete guide to skin barrier recovery with real stories and proven solutions. Here's how to truly heal. Please stick around to the end, because this video is super helpful as we're sharing what worked for hundreds recovering their skin barrier, plus a pharmacy product under $10 that could be your new holy grail. But first, if your skin is burning right now, pause this video. Splash your face with cool, not cold water, pat it halfway dry with a soft, clean towel, and let the rest air dry. Don't apply anything else, no creams, no serums, until you finish this video. Keeping your skin bare for a short while can help calm it down. Chances are you've already searched things like, why does my skin itch? Or why does my face sting when I moisturize? The answer is your skin barrier. And the good news, it can recover, and possibly quickly, if you let it heal. What is the skin barrier? Your skin barrier is like your body's armor. It's a protective wall made of lipids, ceramides, and tightly packed skin cells. Its job? To keep moisture in and irritants out. Modern life chips away at this wall every day. Harsh cleansers strip it. Overexfoliation causes micro tears. Pollution, UV, and even stress break it down. When that wall is compromised, your skin lets you know. Fast. Products that worked for years suddenly sting. Your face feels tight, raw, and constantly irritated. Makeup won't sit right. Even water burns. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Here's the biggest mistake people make when their skin barrier is screaming. They try to fix it with more products. Wrong move. When your skin barrier is screaming, your first step isn't adding. It is to stop everything immediately. No retinol, no vitamin C, no exfoliants, no treatments, no brightening serums. You're not on a fence, you're in recovery mode. Think of it like a wound. You wouldn't scrub an open cut with soap, right? Your approach turns minimalist to reduce irritation and give your skin the calm environment it needs to repair itself. After analyzing real recovery stories, here's what works. A simple 3-step routine. Step 1. A gentle cleanse or just splash water. Step 2. The hydrating layer. And Step 3. A protective barrier. And here's your game changer. Texture matters more than brand names. Start by asking, what texture does my skin need right now? Thick, gel-like, lotiony, ointment level? Match it to your current barrier condition. We'll show product recs people swear by. But first, it helps to know the ingredient types to look for. Humectants pull in water. Emollients soften plus fill cracks. Occlusives lock it all in. First, humectants include ingredients like glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, and propanediol. Pull water deep into the skin without overwhelming it. Panthenol, that is vitamin B5. At 5 to 10%, it supports new cell growth, soothes, and heals. Many say it outperforms retinoids when the skin is compromised. Snail mucin, a cocktail of hyaluronic acid, peptides, allantoin, and glycolic acid. It hydrates, soothes, and promotes healing without irritation. Beta-glucan calms and deeply hydrates. Bifida ferment lysate is a postbiotic that strengthens the skin and supports barrier recovery. We then have emollients such as ceramides. Types 1, 3, 6-2 are skin-identical ingredients that strengthen your natural barrier and reduce redness. Centella asiatica, or cica, is an anti-inflammatory botanical that speeds healing. Aloe vera calms, cools, and reduces discomfort. Squalane and fatty acids restore elasticity and are safe for oily skin too. Propolis extract is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids. It soothes irritation and boosts recovery. Occlusives that include petrolatum, dimethicone, and lanolin can reduce water loss overnight. Cholesterol supports smoother and hydrated skin. Calming botanicals soothe and repair. such as mugwort or artemisia, is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory for calming redness and flare-ups. Bifida plus mugwort combo soothes and strengthens reactive or easily irritated skin. Before we move on to product recommendations, if you're finding this helpful, please hit the like button. This will help the channel grow and provide you with insightful content. So here are some barrier-loving products. These aren't the only products that work, but among the most loved by people who've successfully healed their skin barrier. And hey, if you have favorites, do share them in the comments. Creams or occlusives for dry, flaky, or stripped skin. Dr. Jart plus Ceramidin with 2.3% ceramides and glycerin. Avene Cyclefate Plus has a companion serum with provitamin B5 and TRP Reguline. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume B5 is available in spray and gel formulations with metacasoside and vitamin B5. Astura 365 Barrier Cream, which offers 120 hours of moisturizing. Bioderma Atoderm. Intensive Balma is an ultra-nourishing occlusive that seals in moisture on skin that's extremely dry or reactive. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, intense with colloidal oatmeal and ceramides. Now picture this. You want to hydrate, but everything feels heavy, sticky, or makes you break out. Even sensitive skin creams clog pores or trigger flare-ups during recovery. Instead, go for featherlight layers like the Geek and Gorgeous Happy Barrier. It hydrates, calms, and vanishes into your skin. Products under this category are Toradin Solid in Ceramide Essence, lightweight, with ceramides and panthenol. The Barrier Booster La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizer. The very lightweight hydrating Natri Hatamugi Skin Conditioning Gel. Vanicream Daily Facial Moisturizer, a minimalist oil-free choice. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel, fragrance-free and hyaluronic acid-based. Aveeno Calm and Restore, Oat Gel Moisturizer with oat and centella. The Purito Wonder Relief Centella is unscented with centella and beta-glucan. Skin 1004 Centella Ampoule, frequently paired with Toradin Ceramide Cream. The proven non-comedogenic The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA. Biossance Squalane Plus Probiotic Gel Moisturizer with microbiome-friendly ingredients. You're scared to moisturize, but your skin still feels dry. Skipping hydration makes recovery take longer, but creams feel like too much. That's where calming toners come in. Try Laneige Cream Skin or Misha Artemisia. They deliver hydration without the wait. For all skin types, as prep before moisturizer, calming mists and toners work beautifully to hydrate the skin. We have Magno Panthetone Toner Essence. It contains panthenol to reduce redness and strengthen the skin. The lightweight Astra Barrier Essence delivers ceramides and calming actives. The anti-inflammatory and soothing Misha Artemisia Toner is infused with mugwort extract. The milky hydrating Astura Cream Skin Mist that boosts moisture levels. The pH balancing Claire's supple preparation toner preps the skin to absorb other ingredients effectively. The hydrating 2-in-1 toner and moisturizer Laneige Cream Skin. The mineral-rich mist La Roche-Posay thermal water soothes sensitive or irritated skin. And of course, your cleanser and sunscreen are just as important for barrier health. Always use the most gentle, non-stripping option. Vanilla Cream Gentle Cleanser is a fragrance-free, no-fuss formula for the most sensitive skin. Soon Young pH 6.5 Whip Cleanser is a soft, airy foam that gently cleanses. Toradin Foam. Cleanser is infused with 5 types of hyaluronic acid. La Roche-Posay Toleriane. Hydrating cleanser is creamy and calming. And for micellar or balm options, Bioderma Sensibio Micellar Water is a calming no-rinse cleanser. The Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm is rich in colloidal oatmeal and ceramides. Magno Cleansing Oil is a lightweight oil cleanser. Now to your sunscreen, your daily shield. These mineral-based, barrier-friendly picks won't clog pores or irritate. Dr. G Green Mild Up Sun Plus SPF 50+. Round Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen. La Roche-Posay Anthelios UV Immune 400 Invisible Fluid SPF 50+, Elta MD-UV Clear SPF 46. Now your face feels raw, tight, and every product stings. Even water isn't safe. The richer your moisturizer, the worse your skin feels. But going bare makes it worse. In this case, thousands swear by Cicaplast Baume B5. It's like a healing bandage in a tube, fragrance-free and instantly soothing. No stinging, no fragrance, just recovery. So here are a few emergency protocol products. These are your recovery heroes when things go south. Overexfoliation, actives overload, or sudden sensitivity. A Bib Macadecoside sticker sheet mask for emergency flares. Bioderma Cicabio seals and other calming layers. Misha artemisia paired with madecassoside serum, great for reactive skin recovery. And the universal favorite for recovery, Cicaplast Baume B5. Now let's talk about what real recovery looks like. Because no product list means anything unless it works for you. Meet Rhea. Her skin barrier was a mess. She picked a ceramide cream that everyone online loved. But turns out, even barrier-safe moisturizers can trigger breakouts if your skin is inflamed. She switched to a lightweight ceramide essence with no heavy silicones or fatty alcohols. Instant relief. Problem solved. And then there's Maya. She pushed her skin too far with actives. Her once favorite moisturizer made her face greasy and reactive. The normally soothing hydrogenated polyisobutene, cetyl alcohol, and stearyl alcohol were now suffocating. Until one night, a Centella sheet mask cooled the burn instantly and gave her skin space to heal. Different women, different solutions. But one common thread: healing isn't linear, and it's never one size fits all. And barrier repair should feel soothing, not suffocating. If you're oily sensitive and in flare mode, avoid these potential irritants. Fatty alcohols, for example, cetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol. Occlusives without enough hydration underneath. Rich emollients like hydrogenated polyisobutene. Fragrance, yes, even natural oils. Certain silicones or oils, especially if acne-prone or fungal acne sensitive. High concentration 10% plus niacinamide. Yes, niacinamide is amazing for calming, brightening, and barrier support. But during recovery, stick to 2 to 5% niacinamide. It's just as effective and way less likely to trigger a reaction. Here's a barrier recovery blueprint you could possibly follow. In the emergency phase, that is day 1 to 7, your routine is minimal, consisting of 2 to 3 products and sunscreen only if needed. For dry, flaky, or sensitive skin, use the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Cleanser that is super gentle with no fragrance. A hydrator if you need extra comfort, either the Laneige Cream Skin Toner or the La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water. Or you could just use a moisturizer, which is your hero product, like the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5+, or any product that can hydrate and seal moisture. Skip sunscreen if you're staying indoors all day, but apply it if even a little sun exposure is expected. If needed, use Dr. G Green Mild Up SPF, fragrance-free, mineral and calming. For oily or acne-prone skin, cleanse with Sun Yung Whip Cleanser, which is light and low pH. You can streamline by only using a lightweight hydrator like the Laneige Cream Skin, or just a moisturizer like Vanicream Daily Facial Moisturizer, Geek, and Gorgeous Happy Barrier. You could use Elta MD UV Clear or Round Lab Birch Juice SPF, which are calming and protective. In the recovery phase, which usually starts around day 4 or later, once redness, sting, and irritation have reduced, this is when you can slowly reintroduce other products one at a time. Don't rush. Your skin will tell you when it's ready. And to wrap up, what's the under $10 product that came up in dozens of user testimonials? It's Bepanthen Sensicalm, a fragrance-free, preservative-free soothing cream, suitable for sensitive skin with 5% panthenol, glycerin, shea butter, ceramide 3, squalane, and other ingredients. Those with red, reactive skin said this was the only product that calmed the sting without clogging. It's a pharmacy staple in many countries, and it just works. Remember, healing doesn't mean doing more, it means doing better. Your skin barrier can bounce back, and so can you. What's the one product that saved your damaged skin barrier? How long did it take to see results? What mistake did you make during your recovery that others should avoid? Your engagement helps this reach people who need it. So please like, subscribe, and share if this helped you or someone you know. See you in the next one. And here's to calm, clarity, and a fresh start